this infrastructure monster. Concrete pump trucks mainly consist of three major parts: the chassis, boom system, and pumping system. Want to know how it works? So easy! Step 1. Feeding. The concrete mixer truck pours concrete into the hopper of the pump truck. Step 2. Pumping. The pumping system sucks the concrete from the hopper and pumps it out through the delivery pipes. Step 3. Placing. The operator controls the boom and delivery pipes to accurately transport the concrete to the pouring location. There are many types of concrete pump trucks. Which one would you like to choose? Truck-mounted pump. Flexible and mobile. Suitable for small projects. Trailer pump. Needs to be towed by another vehicle. Suitable for projects with limited space. Boom pump. Comes with its own boom, wide placing range, suitable for large projects like high-rise buildings. Which brand to choose? In China, three major manufacturers of concrete pump trucks: Sany, SCMG, and Zoomlion. You can match the brand according to the specific construction condition, such as the maximum pump height and the daily workload and the complexity of construction environment, while also paying attention to the brand's after-sales service capability in your country. Hope this video helps you quickly understand the concrete pump trucks.